Welcome to this quick and simple guide on how to disable the Always Relay Calls feature on X. If you've noticed your calls being automatically relayed and want more control over your privacy settings, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu, where you'll find various options for your account. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account and privacy controls are located. Once you're inside, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section allows you to adjust who can interact with you, how your data is handled, and what happens during calls. Now tap on Direct Messages. This area covers all features related to private conversations, including call settings. Inside the Direct Messages settings, you'll see an option labeled Always Relay Calls. By default, when this is turned on, your calls will automatically be routed through X's servers instead of connecting directly. While this can add an extra layer of privacy in some cases, you might prefer direct connections for better quality or fewer delays. To turn this feature off, simply toggle the switch next to Always Relay Calls so it is no longer active. This will stop X from relaying your calls by default, allowing them to connect directly whenever possible. And that's it, you've successfully disabled the Always Relay Calls feature. From now on, your calls will no longer be automatically relayed unless you choose otherwise. Taking the time to adjust small settings like this helps you maintain control over how your communication works and ensures your experience on X feels just right for you. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking your other privacy settings in the app to make sure they are set exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching.